Now we got BMW 3 Series F30 pre-LCA model for projectors upgrade. This car comes with Bison projectors by default. I think it comes with D3S bulbs in stock. Customer try to replace LED bulbs, HID bulbs, everything, but it doesn't work out. The problem is because of it's a 10 years old car, the existing chrome coating inside the projectors will be ruined because of the age. Even if you change any higher voltage bulbs or any higher watts HIDs, it doesn't work out. So we suggested to replace the projectors, as well as the lens became very much yellow and faded, and there is a cracks mark around all the lenses. So we have replaced the lenses and also the projectors along with the bulbs and ballast. After upgrade, there is a huge difference in output. Come, I will show you the light output of it and see how it aesthetically enhances the look of the car after changing the lens, and the blue lens really look elegant for this car.